Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making the headphones discoverable. That's the actionable step. Hold the power button until the LED flashes and keep your iPhone's Bluetooth screen open. Once done, you'll see Beats Studio Pro listed under Other Devices. Tap it. You do this so iOS recognizes the accessory and establishes an Apple ID-level connection. Make sure the firmware is current and battery sufficient, because incomplete pairing can block Find My association. Proceed now. Don't navigate away while the device appears. Once paired, go into your Apple ID settings and open Find My. This links accessories to your account. Make sure Find My iPhone and Find My Network are enabled, because Beats use Apple's network to report locations. Next, check devices. Your Beats Studio Pro should show up. If it shows Not Found, wait a minute and keep the headphones awake near the phone so they register. You do this to let the accessory post its location securely to iCloud, which is why both features must be on. Now confirm in the Find My app. Select Devices and tap Beats Studio Pro to view its location or play a sound. If it doesn't appear, reset the headphones by holding the power and volume down for about 10 seconds, then repair. This clears stale pair records. Also make sure your iPhone iOS is current and the Beats firmware is installed via the Beats app. These updates fix many connectivity and Find My registration issues. If problems persist, move closer and retry pairing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.